experience yellowing of the skin and eyes, dark urine color and pale stool color? These are the early signs of liver problem. The liver is an organ powerhouse. It carries out a range of critical tasks, from the production of proteins, cholesterol and bile to the storage of vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. It also breaks down toxins such as alcohol, medicines, and natural metabolism byproducts. It is important to keep your liver in good shape to maintain health. Here are 10 best foods to eat to maintain the health of your liver. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The two main antioxidants found in grapefruit are naringenin and naringin. These antioxidants can reduce the development of hepatic fibrosis, a harmful condition in which excessive connective tissue builds up in the liver and can lead to chronic inflammation. Naringin has been shown to improve the ability to metabolize alcohol and counteract some of alcohol's negative effects. The effects of grapefruit or grapefruit juice itself, rather than its components, have not been studied. However, evidence points to grapefruit being a good way to keep your liver healthy. 2. Coffee. Studies have shown that drinking coffee protects the liver from disease, even in those who already have problems with this organ. It can prevent the buildup of fat and collagen, two of the main markers of liver disease. It also decreases inflammation and increases levels of the antioxidant glutathione. It's even associated with a lower risk of death in people with chronic liver disease, with the greatest benefits seen in people who drink at least 3 cups per day. 3. Green tea. 5 to 10 cups of green tea per day was associated with improved blood markers of liver health. People who drank green tea were less likely to develop liver cancer. Some people, especially those who have liver problems, should exercise caution before consuming green tea as a supplement. There have been reports of liver damage resulting from the use of supplements containing green tea extract. The lowest risk was seen in people who drank 4 or more cups per day. 4. Grapes. Many animal studies have shown that grapes and grape juice can benefit the liver. Red and purple grapes contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds, including resveratrol. More studies are needed before taking grapeseed extract for the liver can be recommended. However, the wide range of evidence from animal and some human studies suggests that grapes are a very liver-friendly food. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered a healthy fat because of its many health benefits, including positive effects on heart and metabolic health. One small study in 11 people with NAFLD found that consuming 1 teaspoon of olive oil per day improved liver enzyme and fat levels. It also raised levels of a protein associated with positive metabolic effects. Participants also had less fat accumulation and better blood flow in the liver. 6. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries both contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that give berries their distinctive colors. Consuming these fruits for 3 to 4 weeks protected the liver from damage. Blueberry extract has even been shown to inhibit the growth of human liver cancer cells in test tube studies. The types of antioxidants found commonly in berries slow the development of lesions and fibrosis in rats' livers in a study. The health benefits of eating cranberries and blueberries can be traced to many health benefits. 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a source of nitrates and antioxidants called betalains, which may benefit heart health and reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. Animal studies look promising. Similar studies have not been done in humans. More studies are needed to confirm the benefits of beetroot juice on liver health in humans. 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli and mustard greens are known for their high fiber content. They are also high in beneficial plant compounds. Animal studies have shown they increase levels of detoxification enzymes and protect the liver from damage. Roasting them with garlic and lemon juice or balsamic vinegar can turn them into a tasty and healthy dish. The same study found that the broccoli sprout extract prevented liver failure in rats. 9. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that reduce inflammation. Omega-3 fats have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A omega-6 to omega-3 ratio that is too high can promote the development of liver disease. It's a good idea to reduce your intake of omega-6 fats. 2. 10. Nuts. Eating nuts was associated with improved levels of liver enzymes. Men who ate small amounts of nuts and seeds had a higher risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease than men who ate large amounts. More high-quality studies are needed, but preliminary data points to nuts being an important food group for liver health. Nuts are high in fats, nutrients, and antioxidants. Foods listed above have demonstrated beneficial effects on the liver. These include lowering the risk of liver disease and cancer. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and healthy way to keep your liver functioning at its best. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.